So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to synchronize the certified transcript created by the court reporter with the deposition video. So let's get started. I'm going to upload the deposition video, and I can upload it from a variety of places, obviously from my computer, but we can also upload it from Dropbox. And if your company uses Microsoft or Google, let us know, and we can help you get up to speed there as well. But by doing it from one of these cloud providers, what it allows us to do is basically do an instantaneous upload, and so there will be literally no upload time. And then the next step here is to select the language in which you did the original recording. In this case, it's going to be English, but if you have recordings that are in other languages, or let's say you have interviews that maybe not deposition videos, but interviews that you need to go ahead and automatically transcribe, we can do those from 33 different languages. So let's go ahead and select the video first. Let's go ahead and select the deposition video. I choose my language English, and now I'm going to start the upload. And what you see here is that it's processing actually, because the upload was completed instantaneously since it wasn't one of the cloud providers. But now it's processing, and we're applying a series of algorithms to the video to understand what's in it. But most importantly, we're preparing the video for a series of functionality or functions that can take place later in the workflow, such as being able to create clips, tag the video in order to enable collaboration. This will take a couple minutes, probably about 5 minutes in total. You get up and get a coffee and come back, and then we'll have the video ready for the synchronization process. The video has been processed. We'll receive an email alerting it that that has completed, and we can now click on either the email or right in here on the browser. We can just click on this, and it's going to take us to now the video itself, the deposition video, and one of the initial outputs, which is a machine-generated transcript. The purpose of this is just to allow attorneys early on, if they want to see what's in the video, to do an overview, to search inside the video using the search, or to click on any spot of it to listen. But the machine-generated transcript is not the most important part of this process. What is the most important part of this process is to synchronize this video with the certified transcript and perfected transcript generated by the court reporter. So now we go ahead and click on this button here. I find the certified transcript, and then I open it. And now the synchronization process is taking place, synchronizing the perfected and official certified transcript that the court reporter submits as the official document, synchronizing that with the deposition video. And now the synchronization is complete, and I can go ahead and click on the certified transcript, and now I will be asked to enter the start page of this transcript, which is page 150 for this particular one. And now the synchronization is complete. I see the official certified transcript that was created by the court reporter. This is the official document, and now I can click on anywhere on here, and it's going to play the video, the audio, and has automatically inserted the caption files in there. And anywhere that I click on this transcript, it will automatically play that part of the video. And so now we've synchronized the certified transcript with the video, a process that formerly may have taken an hour to maybe a couple hours to go ahead and do using desktop software. Now it can be done remotely by a team and done in seconds.